Welcome kids and welcome back to our fun drawing time. Today we are going to draw and paint traffic light. It is very easy and fun. So let's start. First take a white paper, a pencil, a eraser and some colors. Draw a big standing rectangle in the middle of the paper. This will be the body of the traffic light. Now draw 3 circles in the side. The rectangle. Draw 1 circle at the top, 1 in the middle and 1 at the bottom. Next draw small lines on both sides of the rectangle to make the side covers. Now draw a long pole under the rectangle and make a small base at the bottom. So the traffic light can stand. Great! Our traffic light drawing is ready. Now let's start coloring. Color the top circle red. Color the middle circle yellow. Color the bottom circle green. Color the traffic light body black. Wow, our traffic light drawing and painting is complete. Red circle means stop, yellow circle means wait, and green circle means go. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawings. See you in the next video.